Today, I'm going to teach you how to turn on GitHub pages on your repository. This feature allows you to host static websites directly from your GitHub repository, making it incredibly useful for project documentation, portfolios, or simple web applications. Let's begin by opening your web browser and navigating to github.com. Once you're there, log in using your credentials. Make sure you enter your username and password correctly to access your account dashboard. After logging in successfully, you'll land on your GitHub dashboard. Look over to the left panel where you'll see a list of your repositories. Navigate through this panel and click on the specific repository where you want to enable GitHub pages. This could be any repository containing the files you want to publish as a website. Once you've opened your chosen repository, direct your attention to the top toolbar. Here you'll find several tabs for managing your repository. Click on Settings, which will take you to the configuration area for this repository. In the Settings page, look at the left panel again, scroll down if needed, and click on Pages. This section is specifically designed for managing GitHub Pages settings. Now you'll see the GitHub Pages configuration options. Navigate to the section labeled Branch. This is where you'll specify which branch of your repository should be used to build your website. Click on the drop-down menu under Branch. From the options that appear, select Main. This tells GitHub to use your main branch as the source for your website content. Right beside the branch dropdown, you'll notice a Save button. Click on Save to confirm your selection. This action initiates the process of generating your GitHub Pages site. Be patient here, as it may take anywhere from a few seconds to a couple of minutes for GitHub to build and deploy your site. The processing time depends on the size and complexity of your repository. While you're waiting, feel free to refresh the page periodically. Keep refreshing until you see your site's URL appear at the top of the GitHub Pages section. Once it appears, your website is live and accessible to anyone with the link. You can click on this URL to view your newly published site, and that's it. You've successfully enabled GitHub Pages on your repository, and your content is now hosted and accessible online. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.